They put up the lights again. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. There's something on my face. In this video, we're going to figure out 3 drum fills that sound way more difficult than they actually are, and we'll break them down such that you can see how simple they are. So the first drum fill is actually a thunder roll. What we mean by thunder roll is the sound that thunder makes when it's thundering over your head and you're trying to sleep. It's basically just single strokes that you're playing all over the tones. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to play it 6 times, 2 hits on each tone, like this. And as we usually say, when you speed it up gradually. You don't just jump from 0 to 59%. You go to...
First of all, why 59%? You could just say 100%.
Shush. You go from level 1, you go to level 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up. So, let's slowly increase the speed so you see how it is like. You can use it and apply it to your music. Okay, so this next one really sounds complex, but it's actually really simple, just like the first one. So this one is also single strokes. So instead of hitting the same drum or cymbal with each hand, you would hit, then change, then hit, then change, then hit. This is an example of what it is like slow. So as you can see, it's just an alternation between the floor tom and the cymbal. So every hit on the cymbal goes along with the kick drum. So when you speed it up, then it starts to sound like this. Okay, so now we can put it in a groove and see what it sounds like. Yeah, it sounds good. It actually makes people think that you're playing some madness. It is madness, but it's madness that we can easily play. Let's talk about the sponsor, the Drum Chops Builder app. This is an app I created for myself as a drummer to help me practice the ideas that come to my head. So imagine you're a dude, right? You're a brother or a sister walking in town, doing the business, buying stuff, swiping the credit card, getting in the car, going to the places. But along the way, you have some ideas, some drum ideas, some patterns coming to your mind because you're a creative person. I know this. We know this. We know this. And when the ideas come through, you have to have an outlet for them, or they just disappear. And you wouldn't want to have ideas that come and disappear. No. You need to put them down somewhere. So enter the Drum Chops Builder app. With this app, you can put down your ideas everywhere and anywhere you are onto your phone and save it and go practice later. And it has a whole bunch of other features like shed mode, random chop generator, and a whole bunch of other features that help you to be more creative as a drummer. So check it out. The link is in the description down below. Go download it. Go do the thing. It's really good. It's a hi-hat thing. You know we like the hi-hat things, right?
Ting or thing?
I know. I'm saying thing. I'm not saying thing.
Wait, chill. Why are you saying the word thing that way?
Because that's how I say thing.
But won't it be more grammatically accurate to just say it the way it is?
Well, yeah, but it's cooler to say thing
Well,
than thing.
I don't see why temperature should affect how you say it.
Guys, put down in the comments which is cooler, ting or thing. I think it's ting, but she says it's thing. Ugh. This is actually as simple as the rest of them, but this is way slower, so it's easier to understand. But it sounds good. So this is what it sounds like. And like the other ones, this also is the single stroke roll, right, left, right, left. But before every right, left, you put in the kick. So it's kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. As many as you want to do, then you crash. The trick and the tastiness comes when you play it on the hi-hat and the snare in this particular pattern. You can actually use it around the drums anyhow you like, but with the hi-hat and the snare, it sounds extra tasty. So give it a try. Which of these 3 drum fills did you find the most interesting, and which are you most excited to try out? Leave a comment down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video. Follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to post a little more regularly, and there'll be some things that wouldn't show up on this YouTube channel will show up on my Instagram, and I can say that they're pretty cool. So give me a follow on Instagram. Go download the app, the Drum Chops Builder app. It's amazing. It's impressive. It helps you do the thing on the drums. Okay, this is your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Peace.